Welcome to the Visitor Management System. In this video, we'll guide you through the Designations module under the Operations section, where you can efficiently manage roles within your organization. You can also adjust the number of entries displayed per page for easier navigation. To add a new designation, click Add Designations. Enter the name of the role, set the status to active or inactive. Once done, click Save to add it to the list. You can edit or delete a designation using the Action button. You can quickly find any designation using the search bar. And that's how you manage designations in the Visitor Management System. Use this module to keep your organizational structure clear and up to date.